Okay, welcome to another Amendster demonstration, and what we're demonstrating here is we're going to demonstrate the date range tool for folder modifications. And the issue here is that we've created a whole stack of folders with old email information that came from ages ago, like 2019, 2020, as you can see in this video that I'm recording. So each one will have a different time frame, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the prefix capability of the date range analysis tool over here. So rather than opening the file and looking at the first file and looking at the last file and trying to work out which of these archive folders it belongs to, and remember we're trying to archive stuff in the future when we have some customers or something and we're deciding that the information can now be removed, and we're not using any of the tags for archiving, which is the archiving dates that we will have up here set up. So if we look at Mentor and we drag a drop to analysis and we set it to prefix, you'll see it's 2014 to 2021. And if we look at the folder, you'll see that the last email was from 2021. So what we can confidently do is put it in the 2021 folder with a move. And we can go through and do all our emails like this. We can analyze them. We can see that's a 2018 email. We can see that that is a 2019 email. So we can quickly sort our emails out. Now, in the future, I could, I don't expect to do this too often, but if it becomes more tedious, I'll have an automatic shifter that will, I'll drop a button in here, and if you drop the file in, it'll automatically move it to the end result. I mean, it's a pretty easy button to implement, but we're just playing with it at the moment just to show you its capabilities as is, and what we can do. Yeah, I think I might, but as I said, this isn't an often thing that occurs. And we've got 2019 again. Just analyze that. Yes, we've got a 2019, and we'll just keep moving it. So all these old emails, for example, so we can see that Auto General is 2018. There it is. It's an old email. Something about a claim that we're not working with. Really successful. I don't even know what that company is. 2018. So these are all old emails that I've worked with. That was a large folder, and you can keep going through and doing this kind of thing. Now, normally I wouldn't have it all on one single page. I'd have Amendster in its full view like this. But for the sake of the exercise, I'm just doing it on one screen so I can demonstrate it on a video. RSP, CV, RSVP. That was a 2018, so just one email. I think I applied for a dating site once. Do not respond, plenty of fish. That was another dating site. 2021. There you go. So we get thousands and thousands of emails, and being able to sort them into useful information. And you can see we can do our analyses. 218. I think I actually might create a button that does the transfer. It would be quite handy, but we'll just analyze it. 220. So you can do all sorts of things. Now remember, 220. Now remember that the Now that was an Easy Sketch Pro program. So remember, I can always tag it with an email tag on the front, which is pretty handy. Where did I put the email? Down here, and you'll see it'll convert to an email. And if we drop it on there, it says 219. So, and this helps with archive removal. 218. $220, and this is all part of editing the program and seeing how it works well or not. You see it's giving me a message that everything's okay. Anyway, that's it for that.